Hey you guys, this is your uncle, and in this video I got a lot to cover, a lot of positive stuff for you guys, so make sure you listen all the way to the end because we're doing a lot of amazing things for our new clients and for our members, so that you guys can have a very successful and prosperous 2024 by being a part of the Super EZ Forex family. So you really want to hear everything that I have to say in this video, okay? So let's go ahead and get started so I can kind of show you guys what's going on. All right, so first of all, if you go to our website, superezforex.com, and you click right here on Join Our Signals Group, it's going to take you to this webpage. Now, here's what's cool. You're going to click right here on to see our signals results. This tab right here, at any given time, if you want to track our results from week to week, this is where I keep everything updated at the end of the week. And so as you can see, and it was 2876 pips. For some reason, it's not saving. Okay, all right, so that was 2,876 pips. Let me put that there. Okay, so now we have that there. All right, cool. All right, so here's the deal. So over the last 2 weeks, since we started trading this year, in the signal side of the group, which is where you can sign up for the signals group, and I'm going to cover some new things about that so that you guys will be aware of what's new for you. But we are at 17 wins, no losses, no break-evens. And in the live sessions with Ms. Jenny, the live sessions, they did over 5 hours of training class over 2 class periods, because you will get to attend her class twice a week. And they did over 5 hours of live trading together, and they did 2,876 pips in the live session. So that's that. Then, in addition to that, and let me make this a little bit bigger so it can stand out a bit and you guys can really see it. This is what we did over the last 2 weeks for our copy trade service, our new copy trade service that's just going viral and people are loving it. Here's what we did. So we did basically in the last 2 weeks. Last week we did 18 wins and only 1 losses, and some of those wins were from trades carried over from week 1, because we do some swing trading. So some of the trades were carried over from the first week into the second week. And so at the end of the day, we did about 18 wins and only 1 loss last week. So that put us at about 27 wins and only 2 losses in 2 weeks. And that's in the copy trader service. What's the difference? This category over here is for the signal service members. So if you sign up for the signals group, you'll get manual signals sent out to our private Telegram channels. Then you get hours upon hours of live trading sessions with Ms. Jenny. And then in addition to that, now here's what's new. Pay attention. Here's what's new for the signal service members. Ms. Jenny just released 10 plus new indicators for you guys. 10, okay? Over 10 indicators for you guys. So that you'll be able to use those at no cost. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay. I'm going to say it again. It does not cost you anything. Those are all included with your membership. Okay. So basically you're going to get about 11 indicators that you can use, plus live sessions with Ms. Jenny, plus you're getting signals from Dr. Elvis. All of that comes in your monthly membership. Okay, so make sure if you were interested in that you sign up for the signal service. Okay, it's amazing, absolutely amazing, phenomenal service, and we're doing things that nobody else is doing. Okay, all right. So in addition to that, now if you say that I just don't want to trade anymore and I'm sick of it and I just want somebody else to trade for me, then you want to do the copycat. And when you click on that tab right here, or you can go to superezcopycat.com. It'll take you to this website, and literally, if you want to know how it works, just play this video right here. And then within 2 minutes, you'll completely understand how it works. This is us over here placing trades. This is your computer over here just running. And at the end of the day, you don't touch it. Just leave your computer running or put it on a VPS, which is a virtual online computer. Basically the same thing. Instead of logging in at your desk, you log in online and it takes you to your computer, and it looks exactly like a regular computer online. It's the same thing. Okay. And you just leave your trading platform running. It does work on the MT4 and the MT5. And we have a lot of people. And again, I don't get into this for legal purposes. Okay. But I can say in our group, we have a lot of people passing prop firm challenges and this and that and that and this. Okay. So again, just overall people are highly successful. And again, this is our track record. Look at it. How can you not? 27-2 in 2 weeks. Or if you're in the signals group, 17 wins. And then over here in the live sessions, you got 2,876 pips. How can you not be successful? Whether you're taking the trades and placing them yourself or whether you're allowing us to do it. Either way, how can you not be successful with a record like that? So again, I'm very proud of what we're doing here in Super EZ Forex. And there's a lot of testimonies coming out, a lot of people who are highly successful. You can look at some of the comments into some of my prior YouTube videos where people are saying they're loving the copycat trader and the signal service and all these different things. So it's up to you, okay? But that's that. Now, let me get into the news so that you guys are aware of what news is coming up for the week. For the up and coming week, there's a couple of things you do want to pay attention to. And the biggest ones, and I'm going to highlight these. I told you guys, when you see them on my list over here, that means, yes, they're important to me. So I put those there, and I'll highlight this one as well as yellow. So you have the pound coming out with unemployment change numbers that I don't really think it's going to make that big of a blip, but it's there. Same thing with the consumer price index, or the customer inflation numbers is what I call it right here. That's coming out for Europe. But CAD is coming out with their inflation numbers. Inflation numbers drive interest rates. Interest rates and inflation, they're tied and married hand in hand. Okay. So when the inflation numbers are too big, then they change up the interest rate sometimes, okay, to try to fix it. So that's why you want to pay attention to that. So the CAD is coming out on Tuesday with their inflation numbers. The pound is coming out on Wednesday with theirs. And then on Thursday, the JPY is coming out with theirs. And the JPY, they've been terrible. I'm not gonna lie. Nothing against Japan, but man, y'all's currency be going to the trash. Wow. I mean, seriously. I don't know what y'all got going on over there, but people are just trashing it. And I think that's because they have not raised their interest rates enough. And so therefore, it's kind of like putting your money in. I taught you guys this a while ago, Bank A, Bank B. If Bank A says you put $500 in the account, we're going to pay you 2% interest rate every single month. Bank B says put $500 in this account, we're not going to pay you any interest rates at all. So in a couple of months, which one would you go with? Bank that's going to pay you 2% interest on your deposit, or Bank B that's not going to pay you anything on your deposit? Do you see what I'm saying? So Bank B is the JPY. They're not paying people interest on their money. So why would people want to park their money in the JPY? And so therefore, when any news events are coming out, people just dump it. In my opinion, this is just my opinion. Do your own research. But this is what makes the currency weak, because there's no incentive for me to invest money into your currency. There just isn't. But you have other countries who says we'll raise interest rates, which means that if I invest my money into your currency, I'm going to make interest on it. So therefore, this is how interest rates announcements work. So when you see spikes in certain interest rate announcements on certain currencies, now you understand why. If they say they're going to raise interest rates, then guess what? It shoots. I'll give you a perfect example. The Feds came out and hinted in advance that they are looking to not raise interest rates anymore on the dollar. What happened to the dollar? What happened to the stock market and gold and all the others? They shot up through the roof. That's what happened. See, the moment you remove an incentive for me to keep my money parked, meaning you're not going to pay me interest on my money, I'm going to take my money and go put it somewhere else. And so that's what causes currencies to go to the trash. Okay, so hopefully leave a comment below if that made sense and kind of help you understand how global currencies and interest rates work. I love hearing feedback from you guys to make sure that I'm teaching you guys things to help you on your journey. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this video up. Again, if you want to join us, just go to superezforex.com and click right here on the copycat trader. If you just want us to trade for you, it only takes moments, just literally minutes to set up, and then you set it and forget it. Okay, it's very easy to install, very simple to set up. If you want to be a part of the signals group because you want to get signals, which is cool, and you place them yourself, but you want to be in live sessions with Ms. Jenny, and like I said, she posted something where last week they did 5 hours of live trading together. not on one setting, but in two different settings. Okay, two different settings because they trade together live twice a week, and so you can learn from her, talk with her, and get some training while you're trading alongside with a professional trader. Plus, you get access to 10 plus new indicators, which is no extra cost. They're all yours. And I'm looking at some. You have the Elliott Wave Trader, the Head and Shoulders indicator, a hybrid MACD hybrid. There's a hidden hybrid trading system, a market scanner, and so much more. The Sweet Box. And so forth, the wedge, It just goes on and on and on. All these tools are available to you at no extra cost. They're just given away to you guys for our Signals members. As long as you're a member, you keep all of these different tools plus. And there's about 10 or 11 of them that you get free of charge, okay? So I told you we're pulling out a war chest of benefits for our members. So there you go, okay? All right. Talk to you guys later, and leave a comment below. Let me know if this video was helpful, because I just always want to make sure that I'm providing good content for you guys and helping you to understand what's popping. Okay? Peace and hair grease. I see you during the week.